Hi guys, welcome back here to Drone Emotion, a channel where we do drone videos and where we cover the most relevant drone news. Today we're back here guys once again with breaking news from DJI, and this time it's a brand new drone that it's confirmed guys. It's official, it's coming, and it's coming real soon guys. And in today's video we're going to be discussing with you all of the info that we have about DJI's latest drone that's coming real soon, and also we just got confirmation of the type of transmission system that this new drone from DJI is going to have, as well as we're going to be sharing with you all of the pictures that we have at the moment from DJI's upcoming drone. All that info coming in today's video. But before we get started, make sure that all of you subscribe to the channel if you want to participate in our next giveaway. How big will the prize be? Well, that will all depend on all of you. How much of you support we actually get in the channel. So if we get a little support, well, maybe we give away a filter or a case, something of that kind. But if we get a really good amount of support from all of you, my friends, well, we might even go ahead and give away a drone. That's right, you heard it right. So if you want to see that happening, you know what you gotta do, my friends. Hit that subscribe button. So with that being said, let's dive right into today's video, which is a very exciting one. Today's news are coming from the one and only Osita LB, my friends. That's right, and this news just came out. This is something very exciting. Remember the drone we were talking about for the past few months here in the channel, the DJI FPV drone? Well, my friends, it looks like it's confirmed. That's right. It all started today morning with an Osita's LB tweet that said the following. It's your turn. DJI FPV drone, come to Papa. Well, that's very interesting from DJI. I like his comment. And then we got confirmation that this drone is happening, and also we got confirmation of the type of transmission system that this drone is going to be utilizing. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead guys and share Osita's LB tweet right here on screen. It says the following: 5.8 gigahertz and 915 MHz ready. I think this is it. Rumor says some resellers have got the evaluation model of FPV drone with a remote adjustable FPV camera. My friends, this is very interesting. So the first thing that we see is the transmission system. Remember this controller we shared with you a couple days ago, this one right here on screen? So it looks like that controller is going to be utilizing the 5.8 gigahertz and 915 milliamp HC transmission system. So that's going to be the band that this controller is going to be utilizing. But the most interesting part right here is the second part of Osita's LB tweet, because he's confirming that the DJI FPV drone is coming, and it's coming soon, my friends. So he said that some resellers, that some stores have actually gotten a pre-evaluation model of DJI's FPV drone, and it says that it will come with a remote adjustable FPV camera. So actually, back in summer of this year, we got a patent with a remote adjustable FPV camera from DJI. So I'm gonna go ahead and share that with you right here on screen. So this is the patent, and most likely what we're going to be seeing on DJI's FPV camera. Something very interesting, and the best thing is that you can actually adjust it according to Osita's LB from your controller, something you cannot previously do with any racer out there in the market. So this is very interesting, my friends. The DJI FPV drone is coming, and also in case you missed our last video where we share with you the latest pictures that we have of this drone, we're gonna go ahead and share it with you all in right here on screen. There we have it. Right now, that is what might be coming from DJI, the DJI FPV drone. It's coming soon. We still don't know if it's going to be coming before the end of this year or early next year. But remember that we talked about in our last video about Brandon Schulman, DJI CEO, that he tweeted that there was still another product from DJI to be released before the end of 2020. So could this be it? I think it could. I think we have two options right here. It could either be the FPV drone, or it could be the Osmo Action 2. I still don't know. I'm still 50-50. I don't know what DJI is going to release, but as soon as we get that info, we're going to be sharing that with you. Remember, this FPV drone will most likely not be a full blown out racer, but also not a cinematography drone like what we find here on the Mavic Air 2 or on the Mavic series. I think this is going to be a combination of both worlds, bringing the consumers the best of both worlds, meaning that it will probably have some of the cinematography drone features, but also it's going to have some of the best features that FPV drones have, and they're going to mix it together to make an absolute monster drone. My friends, this is all that we have at the moment. Some very exciting news because the DJI FPV drone is confirmed and it's coming soon. As soon as we get that info, we'll make sure to get it out to you guys as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, my friends, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video.